You know, in all honesty, you'd be kind of hard-pressed to look for a house and lot available in the market today that's this high up with a view like this in Filinvest 2, Quezon City. Oh man, this has so many bedrooms with ensuite toilet and baths, 3 stories, again, very rare here in Filinvest 2, and I can't wait to show you guys around for the full house tour. Is this even a roof deck? Today we'll be going around this brand new house and lot for sale in Filinvest 2, Quezon City. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So from the street, this is what you will see, and you can already tell it's gonna be a very sleek, very modern, very handsome house and lot. So over here on the left, you have your gate for your 3-vehicle carport. Now, it's not just 3 regular cars that can fit in there, you can actually fit full-sized SUVs. And then over by the right side, you have this gorgeous wall. And then here by the middle, you have the pedestrian gate, which is nice and covered, so in case it gets a little rainy, hindi mababasa yung guests nyo. So once you push open the gate, well, of course, may lock naman yan, but I just pushed it open. The first thing that will greet you is a garden here in the corner. And this garden goes all the way to the back, which of course you will see later on. And then over here by the left side, you will see your 3-vehicle carport. So 1 closer to us and then 2 slots, the further section. And then on that side as well, you can go around the house via the left side. But of course, we are gonna go through the main entrance, and such a nice door, isn't it? You have a solid wooden door with vertical lines. It's nice and simple, nice and neat, makes an impact. So as you enter, you will be welcomed by this open space. It's nice and bright. You have high ceiling, cove lighting, pin lights. You know, at night, this is gonna be really, really nice. But even during the day, and especially during the morning, it's gonna be nice and bright and filled with natural light because it faces the east. So nice morning sunlight. Now here in the living room area, you have access to a full toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. And if you'll notice, there's another door over there, and that will lead you to bedroom number 1 right here. So you still have high ceiling, of course, meron na rin mga abang in case you want to put some fixtures of your choosing there. And yes, it connects to the toilet and bath, which makes it an ensuite toilet and bath. Now this room is perfect as a granny room, as a bedroom, but if you don't need that, you could also use it as an office, which is again perfect because it's on the ground floor, very accessible for your guests or even clients. You have a window that peers over your carport, as well as the side gate that will clearly lead you to the side of the house and towards the service area. Okay, so one other thing about this, so you see it's a huge set of windows, right? So it's all garden space right now, but it is ready for in case you want to put a koi pond or even a swimming pool, nandiyan ay abang for the electrical and the water systems. So if you want, you have that much space, you can easily have it put in. But right now, as it stands, it's a garden. Okay, so this entire open area is separated by these wooden vertical slats. Now actually they only look like wood, but it's steel. So it looks nice, it's very open, but still gives you a sense of privacy and a sense of division between your living area and your dining area. So even if it's open, you still have that, oh, this is a different area. Now speaking of this area, you have your dining, and again, you have a bang for your chandelier right above the dining table. And then right in front of that, you have sliding doors that lead out again to the garden, or as I mentioned earlier, the swimming pool if you so desired. At least may abang na siya. Then in front of your dining area, you have your kitchen. So you have a bar area underneath where you can stow your stool. So this is going to act as a bar. And then you have lots and lots of storage. Obviously, it's brand new, naka-plastic pa siya, no? And then you have an island counter here in the middle with a sink. Now, what's awesome about this is all of the kitchen systems are already installed for your convenience, so you don't have to think about it anymore. It already comes complete with that. I love it. Very nice and solid. Then you have a door over here that leads to the service area or the daily kitchen. So you have here the staff area as well. So the toilet and bath, one room and then another room over here. Several layers, so it's up to you how you want to configure this service area or daily kitchen. And again, that gate leads out to the 3-vehicle carport. And this one goes all the way to the back and towards your garden. Okay, let's go back here. One more thing. So you have these double doors. And this is basically storage under the stairs. And look how much storage you actually have. The breakers are also here for maintenance. But basically you have vertical height working for you for this pantry or storage. And also another thing that separates the kitchen from the rest of the floor is the floor. So the kitchen has wood-like tiles in a herringbone pattern, and then the rest of the floor have these huge square tiles. So it's very clean to look at, and the kitchen is different. It's a little bit warmer, even if it's still tiles and easy to maintain. Okay, so that is it for the ground floor. We're now gonna head up the main stairs, which, by the way, have señorita steps, which I absolutely love. It's easy on the knees. Anyone can go up and down the stairs with ease. We love to see it. But that being said, though, we also love to see your likes and subscribes if you haven't already. It's a friendly reminder to do so because we see you watching our videos, and it would really help us out to, if you let us know that you like it by actually liking the videos. Okay, let's head up. I love also how you can see just how big the wooden planks are, especially here in the landing. Really lets you appreciate the solid wood that they used for the stairs. Also, speaking about the stairs, notice how you have these lights to help guide you, especially when it's nighttime. So you can A, appreciate the stairs even more, and B, not trip on your, on your steps. Okay, so here on the second floor, we have 4 bedrooms, and 2 of them are right here, so let's go through this one first. Again, you have a solid wooden door with vertical lines. So over here, you have this much space. You have a corner window, and then sliding window panels, glass panels that you can obviously slide to open. Your built-in wardrobe over here. And then your ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. Now the bedrooms have wooden or wood flooring, and then the hallway has tiles. So that's to differentiate the bedrooms from the hallway itself, or the common areas versus the private areas. Now here we have bedroom number 3. So this time we have this much space. It's a little different from the other one. You still do have a corner window and some sliding windows, but your wardrobe is different. This time it's in the corner. And your outlets are over here, suggesting that your TV should probably go in this area, and then your bed in that area. And then here is your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. So these are the regular rooms, right? We have these 2 rooms. And by the way, before you get there, you have this amazing vertical view both up top and below of this area. And it's just pretty nice. You have all of these windows and you just have a view of the sky. It's pretty neat. And then once you go to bedroom number 4, this is the junior master suite. You have a lot of space to work with. And notice the ceiling. The ceiling is pretty nice. It's simple, right? You have some cove lighting in there, you have some drop ceiling and some pin lights, but it works. It's neat, it's clean, and it's bright. And it's also very bright because you still do have a lot of windows to work with. Again, corner windows, sliding windows, And here on the second floor, you actually do have a view of the mountain range. And then on this side, you have the ensuite, toilet and bath, with your wardrobe here on the left, and then your toilet, enclosed shower space, and your sink over here. Now the tiles are different also. It's a lot moodier, a lot darker. I love it. It's gray, and it's different shades of gray, and then wood, light wood. Looks so nice. So if this is the junior master suite, right? This is the master bedroom. So you have this much space. Again, very bright. Your ceiling, very clean, very minimalist. You have your cove lighting and some pin lights. And then you have access to sliding doors that lead out to the balcony at the front of the property. So this is unique to this room. And what's also unique to this room is the ensuite, toilet and bath, with a walk-through closet. So you have so much storage space on either side. And then you have a toilet, a bathtub, an enclosed shower space, and your his and hers sinks. So technically this has the biggest toilet and bath in the entire house. And that is it for the second floor. 4 big bedrooms, all with an ensuite, toilet and bath. So what else could be in the third floor? You'll see. It's like no matter where you look, it's all just windows. So during the day, it's nice and bright. And then during the night, puro naman ilaw, so it's still nice and bright. Okay, so here on the third floor, again, kung ito puro bintana, yun din actually. It's also just windows on that side. And then this, of course, you have sliding doors that lead out to the roof deck. And what's also really nice about this is it has another bedroom. Now this one, of course, you can turn into whatever it is that you need. You can turn it into a gym, a theater, a playroom, hobby room, I suppose, a she shed. But let's just, for the sake of this video, call it another bedroom, especially since it has an ensuite, toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. Notice also how the ceiling of the bathroom, as well as this room itself, actually follows the roof. So certain areas of this house has the ceiling follow the roof, and it just makes for really interesting lines. The light bounces off of those angles nicely and just creates a very unique look. But speaking of unique, here on the roof deck, you have a lot of space to work with. You have decorative areas like this to help frame Montalban and Antipolo mountains. Isn't that so nice? It's nice and windy right now during the day, but more at night. And also, it's not very often that you come across a house here in Filinvest 2 with 3 stories. So this is a very unique home with a very unique view. Okay, it's time for a recap. So you have 267 square meters of lot area and then 443 square meters of floor area distributed between 3 stories. And again, that's quite rare here in Filinvest 2, Quezon City. You have a 3-vehicle carport, gardens all around, and again, you do have provision for a pool or a koi pond if you want. Lots of sunlight everywhere, so it's a very bright house during the day and still very bright during the night thanks to all of the LED lights. All of the provisions that you might need, yung mga abang, it's all provided for. Your kitchen is already complete with the kitchen system, and it's up to you which appliances you want to use and place in it. And you have senorita steps for the stairs, all the way going to the 3rd floor. It doesn't even feel like you're going up the 3rd floor. So that being said, this is a clearly brand new home, and this is available for you guys. This is such a rare opportunity. Not every house here has a view of Antipolo and Montalban, right? Those mountain ranges are beautiful. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, send this video to them, or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Oh, and by the way, this chair, this loan chair, it's actually included. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here. I did.